everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury, and I am here for Scrappyshak, and this is for the April Scrappyshak subscription box. So let's go ahead and get in it and see what awesome projects we're going to be making this month. And I'm just going to go ahead and get out the instructions to start with. So this month is called A Gift for You, and you will get a card with a QR code to be able to pull the instructions up. You can print them or you can just look at them on your computer. So this is going to be the first project we're going to make, and it's called Cake for You pop-up card. Super cute. And so here's the instructions that we'll be following. And the second one is called Rice Paper Decorative Round. So we're going to actually use some rice paper. If you've never used rice paper, oh my gosh, you're going to fall in love with it. And so our third project is going to be Trellis Card. Look how beautiful that is. And so here's the instructions on this. And then our fourth and final project is called Dimensional Window Card. Looks like we're going to use some maybe, looks like burlap there. And here we always give you some other inspirations that you can use because you're going to have some product left. And so let's go ahead and look and see what we got. And Suki had to say hi. You know how she is. So when you open your box, you always have this beautiful purple tissue paper. And then your products are going to be right on top. And then you're going to have, she absolutely loves the crinkle. See, she loves the crinkle paper. And, yep. She's got her own box over there that she has absolutely had a ball with, but I try to keep, let me have that. I try to keep one box to where I can show you what comes in it. But yeah, she's got her own Scrappyshak box. So if you join the Scrappyshak subscription box monthly, if you've got a cat, oh, they will love it. Trust me, they will love it. All right, so let's look at the awesome products that we're going to get. You are going to get a set from Spellbinders, and you're going to have a die set that says For You, and it's called Floral For You. It's got 5 cutting dies. And then you're going to have an awesome set of stencils that we're going to use. Looks like there's 4 stencils in there. And you're going to have I know that there's another, yep, here it is. And then here's a stamp set from Hero Arts. And it is called Thank You for Everything. That's got a lot of sentiments on there that you can use for a bunch of different projects. And looks like this is going to be a kit. Here is the rice paper, and it's from Stamperia, and it's called, well, you can read it. I'm not even going to say it. But it's got these beautiful blue jays on there. Look how beautiful. And rice paper is very thin, and you can just do anything with it. All right. And so then you're going to have 3 card kits. And here is, looks like the burlap. And here is one of the projects that we're going to do, and that's what we're going to use the rice paper on. So I'm going to get everything together, and then we will start our first project, which is the Cake for You pop-up card. So let's